This hidden gem in the heart of Europe blends breathtaking natural landscapes with rich history and culture. The High Tatras mountains, the dramatic gorges of the Slovak Paradise National Park, and the charming capital of Bratislava make it an incredibly sought-after destination. Get your visa to Slovakia by following our step-by-step guidelines. These are the documents that you must keep ready before applying for a Slovakian visa. A passport which should be valid for at least 3 months beyond your Schengen exit and have at least 2 blank pages. A complete Schengen visa application, 2 recent passport-size photographs, a travel medical insurance valid across the Schengen area with a minimum coverage of 30,000 euros, a travel itinerary which includes your flight reservations, accommodations, etc., bank statements for the last 3 months, 2 years of ITR, 3 months of salary slips, an NOC from your employer, and business proof if you are self-employed. Self-employed, retired, or applicants who are minors may be required to provide additional supporting documents. The list of documents is mentioned in the description box below, so you can refer to it before applying. Now that your documents have been settled in one place, follow these steps to apply for a Slovakia Tourist Visa easily. Open the Atlys app or website, search for Slovakia, and start with the process. Verify your phone number by entering the one-time password or continue through Google. Enter your full name and mention whether you are traveling solo or with others. Select who is going to sponsor your trip. Select your marital status as well as your current employment status. Enter your current address or use our autofill feature by simply searching your address on the map. Enter your passport details. Enter your employer details, choose an appointment date and your nearest appointment center, then choose your tentative travel dates and the countries you plan to visit. These can be updated later as well. Finally, make the payment and you're all set. From here, an Atlys visa expert will step in to assist you with all your paperwork. On the day of your appointment, you will just need to arrive at the visa application center, provide your biometrics, and submit the prepared documents. The standard processing time is 15 working days after the embassy or consulate receives your documents. You can apply at least 3 months before your planned travel dates, and we always recommend planning in advance. Once your visa is approved, your passport stamped with your Slovakia visa will be delivered right to your doorstep. Now let's discuss some common questions that you may have about getting a Slovakia visa. Am I eligible to visit other Schengen countries with my Slovakian Schengen visa? Yes, you are eligible to visit all 29 Schengen countries with your Slovakia Schengen visa. Just make sure you enter Slovakia first or stay in Slovakia the longest. Can I land in the Czech Republic first or any other Schengen country with my Slovakian Schengen visa? Yes, you can enter Czech or any other Schengen country first with your Slovakian Schengen visa. Keep in mind, however, that you will be required to stay in Slovakia the longest. How long can I stay in the Schengen area with my Slovakia Schengen visa? You can stay in the Schengen area for a maximum of 90 days in any period of 180 days. However, please check the number of days mentioned in your stamped visa. Apply at least 4 to 6 weeks before your travel date, especially during peak seasons like summers, June to August, and December holidays. Always book your appointment in your city of residence. You can check appointment dates on the Atlys appointment tracker linked in the description below. If you have given Schengen biometrics in the last 59 months, you may not need to submit them again. Double check that your flight bookings, hotel reservations, and financial documents match your travel dates. Carry sufficient funds for your trip. The embassy will review your financial records against your planned itinerary and accommodations. Start planning your trip today and apply with Atlys to get your visa on time, guaranteed. Link in the description.